Hi guys, and this is Grace again, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Life in the Province. And for today's video, we are up early to go to the to go hiking again. But we're going in the highway instead of the mountains. So we're gonna do walking and jogging. So my sister go with us this time, and my friend there and her daughter and the brother of my friend. So we're almost to the highway of Kutkot. We call this place Kutkot or Brasan. So we're gonna go towards to Kandaon, on the way to Kandaon, and let's see if how many kilometers we're gonna walk or jogging. So we left there in the house around 6 a.m. So we walk very fast because it's not 6:30 yet. So we're here at the highway now. Walking. Have some water. We are in 2.2 kilometers now. Not bad. We're on the way to Kandaon, towards Kandaon City. Unya ragod. Dalian kasi siya. My sister said, "Don't do video because we take long time." My sister there. It's so good, guys. So nice. Staying fit is very good to your body. How I wish my husband go with us. But he needs to be careful because of his back. He told me that he wished that he can go with us. Look at the view, guys. It's so nice, so amazing. There's mountain view there. Oh, how thirsty. Pia, go with us. Mountain view. Lots of coconut tree on that side. Una mo day kay pa. Una mo day. So we are 5 here. Hinay. There's a pillow in the road. not a lot of traffic this time because it's still early. I not feel tired yet. Sugar cane, guys. So that's sugar cane. We're gonna do jogging, guys. Jogging. It's nice. Morning walk. We are here at Ulay. It's like we walk 3 kilometers. My sister. Ay, kaya makita ni sa imong kuan. Uyab. Ay, baloy na nangod makulira. It's 3 kilometers now. More than 3 kilometers.
Wait, signal.
No signal there. No signal here. My friend is there at the back. So Virgil not go with us because we have a class today. Maybe tomorrow or next day.
Ang tuhod, nagahi.
My sister said that her knee is hard. Her knee is getting harder. Walking is good for your heart. Also. Oh, Jackie. Are you okay? Are you okay, sister?
Are you okay, okay?
He said, okay, okay.
So tired.
So tired. We're not
yet arrived our destination.
We're not even halfway on our destination. May buntag. We're not even halfway on our destination. But my sister is very tired now. So we are at 5.4 kilometers. My sister's at the back. We just stopped not long ago, and now we're still going to the top, guys. It's uphill, It's not flat ground, no, it's uphill. There's a big truck there at the back. Jacqueline, ka. We have a hard time climbing in that mountains, the truck.
No! Putik na ba?
Are you okay, sister? She can't get inside. Ano ta, kilometers, 5.4.
Layo na di ay.
So we stop by over here in front of these mountains. We need to relax ourselves before we're gonna go to the top. Pia, are you okay? So we're gonna go to the top, guys. Tapos I charge akong cellphone dahil. Hi guys, so we arrive here in the Mayon Peak, 11.02 kilometers from here to our house. Oh, can you believe that, guys? We survived the walking. And this is their foods here. They have some snacks that you can order. So we're gonna relax here for a few minutes because our legs are very tired, our feet is very tired. So this is not really far from Canlaon City. It's maybe 15 minutes from Canlaon. And the view here is very nice. It's my sister. We have some donuts here, some munchkins. We brought some munchkins. That is good for coffee. They are. Pia, kaon mo. Look at the view, guys. So nice. So we walk down there. There's a road there. Down there. Down there. So it's like 2 hours to Minga. 2 hours and almost 2 hours and 30 minutes walking from our house to here. Not really bad because it's up high in the mountains. We need to climb because it's going to the top of the mountains. So it's not really bad. 2 hours and 22 minutes walking from our house to here. That's Sipaway Island there from the distance. That's Sipaway Island. We survive. Are you survive? Are you okay? Is it very tired? So we try to go walk down. On the way home, we try to walk if we are able, because there's a bus also here. We can ride some bus going to Bagawinis, then we can walk again from our house to Bagawinis, from Bagawinis to our house. So we can ride bus from here if we're not able to walk, if we're tired, if we are too tired to walk, we can get a bus from here to Bagawinis, then we can walk Bagawinis to our house because it's not really far. So it's a really nice exercise to all of us. Nice. There's a lot of cornfields in the bottom down there. So we order some drinks also. They have some fresh buko juice and they have also some shake. We ordered some mango shake. And I'm gonna take some picture after they serve it. That's the highway over there. They fix this area here. Someone is working there. Maybe they make it more stronger, especially when it's rain. They put some metal. As you can see, this is a metal here. Then this is concrete. Because before they just use a wood, so they make it more stronger. And this is our foods that we ordered. We ordered some bok choy noodles with eggs and some chicharon. And they have this here too. Halo-halo and some mango shake. And my sister got some corned beef, rice and eggs. Is it good, Dominga? Good?
Okay, only.
Okay. Okay. Pag-order mo doon kuhan ba? Soft drinks. It's a view, guys. So, I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much again for watching and for subscribing my YouTube channel. Until my next video. So, thank you so much for the love and support and for all the nice comments. And for all my new subscribers out there, I really do appreciate all of you for watching my videos and for subscribing my YouTube channel. So see you on my next video, guys.